Naga Chaitanya hits and flops all movies list up to Thandel. Number 1 Josh released in 2009 flop. Number 2 Ye Maya Chesave released in 2010 super hit. Number 3 100% Love released in 2011 super hit. Number 4 Dada released in 2011 flop. Number 5 Bejawada released in 2011 flop. Number 6 Tadaka released in 2013 super hit. Number 7 Manam released in 2014 super hit. Number 8 Auto Nagar Surya released in 2014 flop. Number 9 Oka Laila Kosam released in 2014 super hit. Number 10 Dochai released in 2015 flop. Number 11 Premam released in 2016 super hit. Number 12 Sahasam Swasaga Sagipo released in 2016 flop. Number 13 Rarundai Vedika Chuddam released in 2017 super hit. Number 14 Yuddham Sharanam released in 2017 flop. Number 15 Shailija Reddy Alludu released in 2018 average. Number 16 Savyasachi released in 2018 average. Number 17 Majili released in 2019 blockbuster. Number 18 Vengi Mama released in 2019 super hit. Number 19 Love Story released in 2021 super hit. Number 20 Bangar Raju released in 2022 super hit. Number 21 Thank You released in 2022 disaster. Number 22 Lal Singh Chadda released in 2022 flop. Number 23 Custody released in 2023 hit. Number 24 తండేల్ ఈ మూవీ ఫిబ్రవరి 7న రిలీజ్ అవ్వడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంది.